What is good? Let's dap each other.
Oh, great. Everybody, thank you.
Oh, sorry. That was your head.
Nice one.
All right, welcome to the vlog. We are going to what?
Candlelight Processional.
And who's the narrator?
We just told you.
Some girl who knows how to murder.
That is not inaccurate.
Does she? This seems controversial the way you start our video.
Well, she'd be. I mean, this is the story of Christ fundamentally, right?
He was murdered
Quite.
for our sins. Oh my God, I almost let this one slide. We are currently crossing Harbor Boulevard, so I can provide you an update on the traffic. All clear. Okay, we've arrived at the Disneyland Hotel. And where did they park our car?
In the tent.
Okay, we have checked in. And Natalie, show me your wristband. Official wristbands are on.
Emerald green wristband.
Emerald green is the color of the day. Is anybody else going to the bathroom?
I'm not going to the bathroom.
You going? You're going.
Nope.
Nobody's going.
Go.
And then we're gonna go ride
Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout.
Impossible. Okay, this is an update. What happened with Guardians of the Galaxy?
Here we get 90-minute wait.
And we don't know anybody that could have helped us with that, so it is a disappointment. Are you feeling magical?
No. Ever since that
You
lady
would.
by the tent said, have a magical day, I'm magical.
Oh yeah, we do have tent parking. Okay, we are at the super exclusive President Ball event, and we are about to try some sort of macaroni and cheese.
Southern mac and cheese.
Oh, it's Southern. Here's a first bite. Let's get some reviews. Oh, I think they like it. We'll put some closed captioning down below so you know what their true reaction is.
Yeah, that's true. Though. Are they ever
Spicy.
talking when the closed captions?
It's spicy.
Spicy. Spicy mac and cheese. Okay, can you go in on this soup
Juliet's
meatball?
face, though. Juliet's gonna start crying.
Soup meat? Soup meat. Oh, she needs oh, it's really spicy. That is a southern spice right there. Cayenne? You think it's cayenne?
Yeah.
Tabasco?
I think there's a little bit of squid eye though that they squirt in there.
It's alive.
Oh, you can still feel
Okay,
it.
I need you to try this meatball. We got meatballs, not the soup.
I didn't get a fork though.
Just break off a chunk.
Like this.
Oh, it's hot. She's spitting up some of it.
It's not as hot as
Even try it. Look. It's a thick meatball. It definitely takes some work to chunk off a piece.
The broth is really good.
Good broth. Watch out, it's hot. Don't burn yourself.
What?
First of all, what is it?
It's a milk chocolate caramel tart. And I'm gonna break it open.
Yeah, let's see what's going on inside there.
Oh, it's pretty hard.
It's crumbly.
We have a nice little peel. And as you can see, There's a lot of chocolate. That's really good. It's very crumbly. You can switch over to my friend.
Okay, we have moved on to gingerbread Mickeys.
Oh,
Oh no. His bow tie is falling off and he's losing his head. Oh, she's just gonna eat the bow tie. Let's get a review on that.
Was it edible?
It's nice and soft. It looks like a nice soft gingerbread.
Smells like ginger.
Smells like ginger. It's got some nice icing on the back just to give it a little extra sugar, it looks like. Oh, yes.
You can switch
Does
over
that go
there.
with meatballs?
Gonna dip it in the.
I'll dip it in.
Now I have my hot chocolate.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, and our next review is just going to be the hot cocoa.
We were at Disneyland and we were eating a brisket slider on a pretzel bun.
Gabriel was sent by God to a city of Galilee named Nazareth, to a virgin betrothed to a man whose name was Joseph, of the house of David. The virgin's name was Mary, and having come in, the angel said to her, "Rejoice, highly favored one, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women." But when she saw him, she was troubled at his saying and considered what manner of greeting this was. Then the angel said to her, "Do not be afraid, Mary, for you have found favor with God. And behold, you will conceive in your womb and bring forth a son, and shall call his name Jesus. So it was, when the angels had gone away from them into heaven, that the shepherds said to one another, "Let us now go to Bethlehem and see this thing that has come to pass, which the Lord has made known to us." And of love. But the greatest of these is love. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never ends. And so from age to age, from the mighty to the meek, from the young to the old, for the healthy and the sick, for the rich and the poor, for all nations, great and small, we rejoice in this season of love with one another, with merry greetings, with gracious gifts, and with glorious song. child is born. Unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulders, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, and the Prince of Peace.
Oh my God, we're so close! Oh, gingerbread.
I bet myself.
Live update from Toy Story Midway Mania. We did not get the alien bonus. I was supposed to start at the bottom, somebody was supposed to start at the top, and I'm not gonna say where we were lacking in taking out the aliens, but aim high, Air Force. All right, we are now at Sunset Market Ranch, and these guys are gonna eat a delicious pickle, or maybe it's delicious, maybe it's not. Some people can open theirs, some people can't. But we're waiting to get the reaction. Is it a good pickle? Bite and go. Good pickle. She can't even bite it. On our walk in here, we have made the discovery that Anthony Bourdain would not be happy